What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel.
What's up, man? Hey, what's up? How's it going?
I forgot what I was gonna say.
Let's get right back to work and put in the motor right now.
What Thomas said. So I got the old transmission off. We found out we got a spec clutch. I really don't like the clutch on the RB20, even though I know it's super baller. I don't like the way it sounds when you step on the clutch, so I'm just gonna keep the spec clutch on the RB25. Just to catch you guys up real quick, I'm gonna be using the transmission I had in the RB20 just because I have the cube short shifter already installed. All right, boys, you guys ready? Look, Luke is here. Look at his face. He's like, I'm gonna throw this shit in, do all the work.
I'm gonna stand on the side and drink my beer.
All right, you gonna stand on the side and drink your beer? I didn't ask anybody yet, but are you guys down to help me drop this thing in? I said, I didn't ask anybody, not nobody. Fool.
They still said no.
They didn't say nothing.
I don't think
Look.
that's big enough power for that.
No, right?
I actually told him I wasn't gonna do anything.
Oh, there you go.
Man, fuck you guys.
No, basically it's like this. Yes.
Just kidding. All right, guys. RB25 is going in right now. Let's do it. Hey, Luke. What? Were you guys serious about not helping me?
Yeah, you don't.
Come on! I want your help now. We're just dropping in the motor. Come help me, please.
We're just dropping in the motor. You could drop it in.
You can fucking drop these nuts on your chin.
No, you. Are you recording? Thanks, I look good.
Oh, wait, I'm an idiot. I've never jacked up a car.
Yeah, you tweet up when you jack it up.
This guy, bro. That's what I was saying. Sitting
I forgot to put the car in jack stand. Let's drop the motor for a little bit just so it doesn't. Okay, so I got so excited I forgot that the car needs to be on jack stands for the cherry picker to fit under.
I got a cherry picker.
You look pretty gay, right? I got a cherry picker. Let me pick both.
Really?
You said it, not me? Hey, watch out for that. Luke, the car's not jacking up! You're too heavy! Get out of there! Drop it, damn it. Okay. How's it? Clear? Okay.
Push it back.
Push it all the way back. Look, mine's lining up. What is
You guys
that?
can try to lift it up.
What's this washer from?
That could be a lot of things.
I know exactly what it's from. It's from your mom.
That's fucked up.
There you go, Jen. It went in? Yep.
Yeah.
Hey! It's in. All right, guys, let's go home. Fuck this.
Okay.
I'm done. That's all I wanted to do with this motor was throw it in the car. Say I have RB25 in my car.
And then put soy sauce in it.
And put soy sauce in it. All right, guys, this time bust out the Henny. We're gonna blow this motor up with Henny. Welcome back to today's challenge video. Let's see how long this motor's gonna last. Originally, I was gonna put Hennessy in my RB20, but Hennessy is flammable. I did not want to die for a vlog. So. RB25 is in. I guess let's start putting stuff together and throw in the transmission and oh my God, Luke! Did you record that?
No,
Oh, no.
I heard it.
Did you break anything? I tucked the harness over here so it wouldn't fall over. Luke just walks away, he just goes like this. We're good, right? If the car doesn't run, I'm gonna blame Luke,
his
not
fault.
me. Alright, everything looks okay. Fucking me, channel. Shout out all the Vietnamese people. While the camera was off, Luke was saying, Luke?
As long as you're not missing anything, I'm gonna guess that you'll get this started on Wednesday.
Wednesday.
But
Today is Friday.
If I did it, just kidding.
No, let me hear your story.
If we had everything, I could get it started tomorrow.
Why not tonight?
I mean, we could if I want to stay past midnight, but I'm not going to. Because I have a feeling we're gonna run into, there's gonna be some stupid hose that's broken that we're missing or something like
The
that.
only stupid hoe here
I just
is
know
not
how
you, Luke,
I
because
just
you
know-
help me on
I just
all
know
the
how
time.
you work, is that you're gonna just stand here and look at it. What the fuck do I have to do next? And think about
Honestly,
it.
guys,
And think about
Luke's
it.
not lying.
Think about it, and then you'll do it. So Wednesday might be late. I don't think it's gonna be. I don't think you're gonna get it done later than that. You might get it started earlier. I'm just gonna say Wednesday because
Or fuck the gym.
yeah.
Get it started.
Isaac, I'm not you. I don't want to fuck Jim. So you say Wednesday.
Yeah.
All right, today's Friday, dude. Honestly, you
'Cause I
gotta
have
give
it-
me a
I
little
have-
bit more credit.
I know. I have a feeling that you're not gonna work on it all weekend. I'm just being What's opposite of optimistic?
Realistic.
Realistic. I guess realistic.
You're a fucking cocksucker. You're a dick. Give me some credit.
No, it's not even about you. It's just, I feel like you're gonna be missing something dumb, or you're just gonna be like, fuck it, actually I'm not gonna work on it today.
If it's done on Wednesday or later, I'll take you out to all you can eat. And if I finish it earlier,
I'm not doing, I didn't agree to anything. I'm not,
no, I'm not trying to bet
Okay.
anything. We don't even have to bet anything. I'm gonna aim to finish this
Tomorrow.
Actually, honestly, realistically, Wednesday.
Alright, let's get started, yeah?
he said he's going
I know.
home. He put the motor.
Start it tomorrow.
At this rate, we're finishing by Wednesday.
The motor could have gone in 3 hours ago.
I am gonna try to get this thing done as soon as possible. The car is hopefully gonna run in today's video, but not today because this video can be 3 days squeezed into one. Right, Thomas?
Stop making money off these people.
Fuck you! You know, someone actually commented that in the last video.
I bet he's gonna make 4 parts.
The comment says something about, I bet you he's gonna make this into a 4-part video. Car's hopefully
Randy said
gonna
that's
run.
selfish. It's
Yeah.
3 part.
Hey, but guess what? You guys are still gonna watch it.
Yeah. That's
Yeah, exactly.
5 parts. Fuck it. Let's go. A video for each port. Damn, bro. Your back has more hair than my body.
So does my face.
Okay, now you're just flexing. Weird flex, but okay.
It's currently Sunday. We didn't do shit yesterday because it was Thomas's 100K, so we got really drunk and you guys know the rest. Luke might be right. I don't know if I'm gonna finish this in time. I have to wait for the injectors to come in as well. So, I don't know if these old injectors still work, but we can definitely try. If they do work, the car will hopefully be started real soon. Isaac and I are gonna throw on the transmission right now, see if we can put everything together and hopefully get this started real soon. Transmission is in. Isaac, thanks, man.
Got you.
All right, drive shaft is the next thing to go in. We got a one-piece drive shaft that came with the motor. Fucking good-ass deal. This is from the drive shaft shop. Cool. Before we put the drive shaft in, I got a little bit of oil right here. Gotta lube her up. Oh yeah, daddy. Oh, fuck. Oh, there we go, just like that, nice and wet. And then you stick her in. Oh shit, it's a little bit big. Oh, fuck, no. Oh, it's in. The subscribers fucking hate that shit, dude. Shifter's back on. New ECU is in. Look who it is helping me with the motor. What are you doing, Luke?
Getting the turbo on.
This is the part I have no clue about. Luke reclocked the turbo because apparently it was actually clocked the wrong way.
The oil drain line was facing straight out the side of the turbo, which doesn't work. Your oil feed and oil drain have to be straight up and down. So it was like 90 degrees off. So I rotated it, so now it's correct. Had to hammer out all this shit to make it fit because this is a adapter flange that's not normally there, so this is pushed way farther over than normal.
So let's see. Oh, it's the wastegate's kind of in the way too, but yeah, Luke hammered right there. So it fits.
Kind of a weird setup because it's a SR turbo.
This is an SR turbo. Let's see. Edric had to get an adapter for it to fit, so it's really close to the sidewall.
Yeah, just usually a thing when you have big turbos, but not so much these smaller ones. It's just because there's the adapter, it's so far away. If you see Adam LZ's, his turbo is like sitting against the top of the strut tower up here.
Exhaust, downpipe, turbos on, everything's on. Now, time to pour in some motor oil.
Wait, that's not soy sauce.
You're hella dumb. I thought you were serious for a second.
Wait, no. Jimmy Oaks, no funnel challenge.
Fuck no, not anymore. No, I'm done. I'm done being dumb. So I searched on the forums. A whole bunch of people are saying 5W30, 10W30. You know what? I'm going 10W30 just because my GTR takes 10W.
Fair enough. I mean, they both got turbos and they're kind of similar engines. Just one's a 26 and this is 25.
So excited to get started. But Luke is like, no, you shouldn't start the car until you make sure all the vacuum lines, everything is perfect. You don't want to shoot oil everywhere. It's like, bitch, I want to beat Wednesday. But Luke has a point. Okay, we got a whole bunch of gear oil for the transmission, coolant, automatic transmission fluid. It's currently Tuesday, tomorrow is Wednesday, and that's when Luke thinks I'm gonna get this motor to start. We're gonna get this thing running today, I hope. Guys, it is 1:30 in the morning, and I think we may be done. I'm gonna have to go over it tomorrow and double check everything. But these boys stayed the entire time, gave me an extra hand. I didn't want to continue filming and show you guys all the boring stuff. I know you guys came to see all of the fun stuff. Almost everything is on. We still got to go back. I got to figure out where this goes. We have a few vacuum lines that we need to throw on, but for the most part, intercooler piping is on. Intake, we're gonna need to come back tomorrow to do the brackets, but it's being held up by the jack and the jack stand right now. We've been doing this all day, and I just want to see if we can start the car. Fingers crossed, hopefully it works. Brian, connect the battery. Ah! You fucking dumbass, you scared me. I'm so over this, guys. So the reason that it took so long is because this is an RB20 harness adapted to fit the RB25. So it's also running an RB20 ECU, which doesn't make any sense, but there's a whole bunch of stuff on the forums about how owners got it to work. I don't know why they didn't use the RB25 ECU and go with the wiring specialties, but you know what? It came with the motor, and I wanted to save some money, so let's see if it works. I hear the fuel pump. I know you guys are gonna talk shit. This came with the car as well. There's no blow-off valve. They blocked it off. We're gonna go back. I'm gonna get a different intercooler piping, a different intake manifold, all that stuff, but let's see if we can start this thing right now. Let's let the fuel pump pump one more time. You hear it? Oh shit! I hope this fucking works. Thomas is safe.
Whoa! Oh shit!
Ready?
Who wants to start?
Wants to. The exhaust isn't on, but it sounds insane. It smells like shit. But it's on.
First try.
And it's on Wednesday. Fuck! Okay, it's idling now. It fucking smells like shit, but oh, fuck yes, Brian. Thank you very much. Thomas, thank you. Yeah, let's check release. I think it warmed up a little bit. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna double check everything. It sounds cool. It looks like. Hold on. Let's see. It's getting hot already over here.
You hear that flutter?
Oh, look. We already have an issue. All of my AC lines, it's hitting the downpipe. So I'm gonna see if I can pull that away. I do want AC. We'll worry about that tomorrow. I wanted to finish this video, upload it for you guys, because we've been working on this a couple of hours per day. We've just been waiting on certain parts. I wasn't sure if the old injectors would work. I was actually gonna wait for the STI injector pigtails to start the car, but that's not gonna come until about another few days. So I said, fuck it, let's throw the old injectors in. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys like how the motor sounds as of right now. We're gonna see if we can make some improvements. This is basically gonna be the homies drift car, the drift taxi, and the drift car that I use if the S13 is ever down. So if Thomas wants to use it, Brian wants to use it.
I'm gonna use it.
You're not gonna use it?
I am gonna use it.
Oh, you're gonna use it?
So the eye is gonna be a show color.
You're hella dumb. Hopefully in the next video we can go for the first drive. I'm gonna end the video here today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to go down, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button as well. I'll see you guys later.